Welcome to Next Door and Window, your trusted family-owned local expert in premium window installations. Let's take a quick look at our full-frame window installation process. We start with precise measurements to ensure your new window fits perfectly. We won't remove the old unit until we confirm those measurements, since your satisfaction is our priority. Next, we protect your home by covering furniture and placing cardboard under openings. We treat your space with the same care we give our own homes. Our skilled team carefully removes the interior trim and hardware, ensuring a clean finish that maintains your home's charm. Once the old frame is gone, we check the fit of your new window and prepare the rough opening for installation. We inspect for any decayed wood and address any issues immediately, prioritizing your home's integrity. We restore any disturbed weather barriers using high-quality materials to keep your home protected. Next, we insulate around the new window with premium closed-cell foam, enhancing comfort and efficiency. Once the window is in place, we custom bend capping to fill gaps and create a polished finish. We complete the interior with new trim, ensuring a flawless look and handling any necessary touch-ups. Windows installed with Next Door and Windows full-frame 4 system increase your view and your peace of mind. Our system restores structural integrity, ensures proper insulation, provides all new ice and water membrane flashing, as well as new interior casing, plus up to 34% more viewing area. Ready to elevate your home? Visit one of our showrooms or schedule a free in-home appointment today with Next Door and Window. Let's get started on your next project together.